Hi beautiful people, I'm Brenda and I'm from the Beauty Insider Community Team.
And it's Jeffrey here, Sephora Beauty Director, and we're back with another boxing video for Play by Sephora for the month of September. Now this month's theme is must-see beauty, so we're here to entertain you with a fall lineup of makeup, skincare, and hair care products that are sure to be binge-worthy.
And don't forget, each box comes with a Play Pass worth 50 extra Beauty Insider points that you can redeem with the purchase of $20 or more in-store or online. Just make sure that you use the code on the back of your Play Pass. And as always, there are multiple versions of this box, so you won't necessarily get every single product we talk about today because that would be over 20 products.
So go ahead, grab some popcorn and get cozy on the couch because we're ready to jump into some makeup. Okay, well, that was a good warm-up. Sounded good. Felt good. So first up in makeup from Hourglass, we have Caution Xtreme Lash Mascara in black. Now when this product premiered, I was first in line to check it out because I heard that it had an ultra-rich, buildable, creamy formula, and I was not let down. Thank you, Carissa, for this amazing product. Now, it's really buildable, gives you a lot of length, and it's a gorgeous formula. I love the brush because it's tapered and has a really nice point, and you can get the inner and outer lashes, which is really cool.
And speaking of amazing mascaras, from Lancome we have Monsieur Big Mascara and Classic Black.
I love this formula too.
Now this is an ultra creamy black mascara that delivers bold lashes for up to 24 hours.
Wow.
And it really coats the lash for a beautiful and buildable volume and length.
False lash effect for sure with this one.
Next, I am so excited to tell you about this product because it's a community favorite.
Okay.
And it's the Nude Sticks Nudies Bloom All Over Dewy Color and Puppy Girl. So we asked the Beauty Insider community what color they would like to see in their play box, and they chose this color.
Well, great choice, you all, because this coral shade is perfect on trend for this year.
Yeah, it's a rich coral shade that you can see, and you can wear on your eyes, on your lips, on your cheeks, and it's water resistant, it's non-sticky, and very hydrating.
Yeah, it looks like it has a beautiful balmy texture that you can kind of sheer out and make it look really natural if you want, or build it up and get high impact color. I love the versatility of this product.
Yeah, and I'm wearing it right now.
It looks beautiful.
Thank you.
Next up from Fresh, we have one of my favorite products. This is the Sugar Lip Treatment Sunscreen SPF 15 in Sugar Rosé Tinted. Now this is a beautiful, lightweight tinted lip balm that's going to give you a gorgeous shine and glow of color. It's infused with natural oils and sugar, which boosts hydration throughout the day.
I love a hydrating balm.
So pretty, yeah. So I know most of you out there know that I'm a super fan of bronzer, and this one is no exception. From Bareminerals, we have the Endless Summer Bronzer in Warmth. Now this is a matte, mineral-based powder bronzer in a terracotta shade that blurs imperfections and gives a beautiful, natural glow. I'm actually wearing it right now. Love this product.
Next from Makeup Forever, we have the Mist and Fix Setting Spray. Now this setting spray is exclusive to Sephora, and it's a lightweight, non-sticky setting spray that locks your makeup for up to 12 hours, so literally all day long.
Wow.
And it hydrates the skin for a smooth looking appearance.
I love that. Next up from Makeup Forever, and also an exclusive product, we have the Ultra HD Micro Finishing Loose Powder in Translucent. Now this is really great for giving a blurred effect to the skin and minimizing texture on the surface. So anytime you're looking to achieve that sort of social media filter finish, this is definitely a product to grab.
Next from Benefit Cosmetics, we have the GimMe Brow Volumizing Eyebrow Gel. Now this is a tinted gel that creates natural looking fullness and definition, and it has a small taper brush that applies tiny microfibers that adhere to the skin and hair for that bold eyebrow look.
Wow, love that.
Yeah, and it comes in multiple shades, so you'll get one based on your plate profile.
So now we're ready for my favorite genre, skincare.
So the first product we're gonna talk about is the Fresh Sugar Strawberry Exfoliating Face Wash.
Now, this is a newer product, and I've been hearing a lot of buzz about it, so I'm excited for you guys to hear all about it.
Yeah, it's a product that is infused with sugar and strawberry to give you a soft exfoliation and removes excess oil, dirt, makeup, but without stripping your skin of the essential moisture that it needs.
Now, strawberry is having a big moment right now. We love that it's a potent source of vitamin C, so it's really great for brightening the complexion overall.
Yeah, and it also refines the look of pores for a brighter looking skin.
Next up from Fresh, we have the Rose Floral Toner. Now this is an alcohol-free toner and setting spray that really calms the surface of the skin. Really great for kind of giving the skin a boost of hydration while toning and evening the pH on the surface of the skin, which is really great. It's also infused with pure rose water, which is really great for soothing the surface of the skin. So think about it as kind of like an emergency spray anytime your skin feels like stressed.
Another fun product from Fresh is the Vitamin Nectar Antioxidant Face Mist. This is an alcohol-free ultra-fine face mist, and it delivers a brightening boost to the skin because it has vitamin C, E, B5, lemon and orange extract, as well as other minerals.
Sounds like a fruit salad. I love it.
Yeah, and you can use it as a cooling primer, as a setting spray, or just to refresh your makeup and skin throughout the day.
It has a beautiful citrus scent, and I think I might add it to my kit to kind of give my clients a nice glow on set. So next up, we have another exclusive product. From Belief, we have the True Cream Moisturizing Balm. Now, this guy delivers a marathon of moisture, up to 26 hours of hydration. It's infused with comfrey leaf, which is really great for boosting moisture in the skin overall. So this is really great for any skin type that's looking for a softening of surface texture or wants to prep the skin before makeup.
And speaking about moisturizers, from Youth to the People, we have the Superfood Hyaluronic Acid Moisturizer. Now, this moisturizer is packed with green foods. We have kale, spinach, and green tea.
Now, you know those of us living that SoCal lifestyle are all about this green product. Yes. Love it.
And it's very lightweight. You can see it almost has like an air whip texture to it.
Yeah, like a cloud.
Yeah, and it is also formulated with hyaluronic acid to give your skin the moisture that it needs.
Last up, from First Aid Beauty, we have another exclusive product. This is the Hello Fab Pores Begone Matte Primer. Now, this is an oil-free matte primer that really minimizes the appearance of pores on the skin. Really great for, I would say, any skin type, because it's got a kind of like a lotiony texture. Definitely give this a feel. So it's infused with salicylic acid, which is really great for kind of minimizing the appearance of pores. And then you've also got fig extract, which is a superfood that is said to have antibacterial properties.
And it smells amazing.
Love the smell. Now, it's also important to note that this product is non-comedogenic, so it's not going to clog your pores. Perfect for any skin type. Let's talk about some hair care, yeah?
Let's do it.
Okay. First up from Briogeo, we have the Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. Now, this is considered clean at Sephora, which we love. This is an intensive weekly hair mask that's really great for nourishing and repairing damaged hair. It's infused with all sorts of good-for-you ingredients like rosehip oil, algae, B vitamins, and almond oil, all of which are amazing for healing damaged hair.
And who doesn't love a good hair mask?
I know I do. One of my favorite things to do is to put it in my hair and catch up on new seasons of my favorite show for sure.
And next from Amika, we have the Bushwick Beach No Salt Wave Spray. Now, this wave spray helps you achieve beautiful waves with whole body and shine. And it has a gentle formula that is tug-free, non-irritating, and non-stinging. Yeah, and you truly get that smooth feel without the tackiness because of the no salt formula.
I think it's the perfect name for this product because if you know Bushwick, there's definitely no beach, no salt. Just like this product. I love it. Now, no Play by Sephora box would be complete without some beauty bonuses.
Let's talk about bonuses.
Let's do it.
First, from Yves Saint Laurent, we have Libre. From Victor and Rolf, we have Magic Sage Spell.
And from Giorgio Armani Beauty, we have Si Passione Eau de Parfum. Now, don't forget, you're also going to get some other goodies in your play box, including your playbook, which is essentially your guide and everything you need to know about your new products, plus some fun tips and tricks. Now, you're also going to get your play pass, which is redeemable for 50 bonus Beauty Insider points in-store or online with a purchase of $20 or more. If you're going to use the card online, enter the code on the back at checkout.
And as always, you also get your cute playback that is reusable, recyclable, and travel-friendly.
Now, we're pretty social here at Sephora, and we want to hear from you how much you're loving your Play by Sephora box. So be sure to shout that out in the comment section below and tag us at #SephoraPlay for all of your unboxing videos. Until next time,
bye.
Ciao for now. Okay, so you can go ahead and pause your video to grab some popcorn. We'll wait.
Yeah.
No, let's jump into it and do some makeup, yeah? That was crazy. From Bareminerals, we have the Endless Summer Bronzer in Warmth. Now, I cannot get it open. Now, this is a beautiful, softly skin-perfecting bronzer that just minimizes the appearance of pores and imperfections in the skin and gives you a beautiful, radiant, summer-kissed glow. Next up, we have its partner product. From Makeup Forever, we have the Ultra HD Micro Finishing Loose Powder.
Now, this setting spray is exclusive to Sephora.
Ooh.
Yeah, and it's a...
That kind of threw you off on that little ooh?
No, it wasn't the ooh, it's the I added the line, so I had it,
ooh. And almond oil, which really kind of soothe, nourish, and condition the hair running out of air.
Yes. Lemon and orange extract, as well as other minerals.
Are really great for brightening the complexion overall, which is amazing.
Yes, I agree with you.
You were saying something.
Yeah, I forgot. I was going to say it refines the look of pores for a brighter looking skin, and I completely forgot. I'm like, I agree with
Yes,
that.
I agree with you.